This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2009 Kia Sorento LX, stock reference number 5659. The shape runs from the 7th month 2007 through to the 9th month 2009. It has a D4CB 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. D4CB 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left power door mirror, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre, left tail light, tidy bumper cover, aftermarket tow bar with all bolts and brackets. Tailgate appears to have no damage, right-hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage, right guard has no damage, right power door mirror, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, dual sunglass type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and a 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with some wear on the top edge.